You won't believe what could happen if the suspicions of electoral fraud in Mozambique are confirmed. Frelimo, the party in power, might face serious legal consequences following accusations of vote manipulation and lack of transparency in the recent elections. Let's understand what could happen if we were in another country and how the European Union could act according to international laws, depending on the type of fraud. Before we continue, welcome to Facts Africa. Here we offer detailed analyses and reliable information on the major political and social events on the African continent. If you want to stay updated and understand better the events shaping our region, subscribe to our channel and follow our news. If this kind of electoral fraud happened in another country with an independent and strong judicial system, the consequences could be devastating for the involved party. In many countries, proven electoral fraud leads to public trials, where those responsible are identified, prosecuted, and in some cases, even imprisoned. The elections could be annulled and new votes called under stricter supervision to ensure the process is fair and transparent. In the specific case of Mozambique, if the European Union decides to act according to international laws and democratic principles, the consequences for Frelimo could be even more severe, depending on the type of fraud detected, be it ballot stuffing, result manipulation, or lack of reconciliation of numbers. The European Union may push for economic and diplomatic sanctions and demand a full re-evaluation of the election results. Additionally, Frelimo may face formal accusations of violating democratic rights and electoral fraud, which could lead it to be tried in international courts like the International Criminal Court, ICC. International pressure could force Mozambican authorities to review the electoral process and conduct new, free and fair elections. Now, about the possibility of Venancio Mondlane taking power. If investigations confirm he was the true winner of the elections and that the fraud directly benefited Frelimo, there is a chance that the European Union and other international bodies will demand that Mondlane be recognized as the legitimate leader. This could result in the annulment of the current results and even in the direct handing over of the mandate to the candidate with the most popular support. These are the possible legal and political consequences Frelimo may face if allegations of electoral fraud are confirmed. If the European Union acts according to the law, the situation in Mozambique could change drastically. And you? Do you believe there's a real chance Venancio Mondlane will be recognized as the people's elected leader? Leave your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Facts Africa to keep up with the latest updates and analyses on politics in the African continent.